So BYS X Disney 100 released their different types of serum. This is their Magic Drop Serum. So Magic Drop Serum has 4. So this is glowing serum number 1, yung color pink. Then this is their glowing serum number 2. This is their hydrating serum and timeless serum. So we're going to try this. First up, this is the glowing serum. Ay, ang ganda ng pagkalapat nito with this one. In fairness, I like this color. I like this kind of Magic Drops na serum. Then, try natin itong calming serum pala to, sorry. Calming serum. So, for glowing serum, ang gamit ng glowing serum is to glow your beautiful skin, while calming serum is it reduces the soothness of your skin using this timeless serum. So, si timeless serum ay gusto mo ng is perfect for nighttime routine na serum na pwedeng tailors all this time or para mag-sleeping beauty ang serum na ito. And lastly, hydrating serum. This is a serum that is perfect for summer na pwede sa beach. Oh, nakaka-hydrating. Ito ay perfect sa beach. So, I like how BYS collaborated or pinag-isipan na magkaroon sila ng skincare line. Tinuloy nila sa collaboration na ito. They release different types of serums that you can use in any type of skin type or kung ano yung trip nyo sa buhay. So again, si calming serum ay for redness and smoothness. Smoothness, ito ang dapat yung gamitin na serum. Si hydrating serum is perfect for summer, yung magbe-beach, parang perfect for Mama Ariel. So, it's perfect for summer, tsaka dry skin with this one. Si glowing serum ay perfect for glowing glass skin look. So, it inspired kay Snow White. And lastly, timeless serum, perfect for Cinderella kung gusto mo ng timeless beauty and this is perfect for aging.